So welcome to the Alonzo Castle. Thanks for joining me today and hanging out with us. I want you guys to hang out with me today, living with Daniel today, okay? We got our little, there's our dog Happy. This is our little garden area. This is our pool area. This is what sold me the house. I mean, seriously, this was like, I walked out the sliding door here and I looked at this view of the entire city and it was done. It was over. I was like, we're gonna have that house. We're gonna buy that house today. So this is where I chip back and forth. So if you ever wanna get good at golf, come on to my house. I want you guys to come hang out with me, and it's so much fun. That is what's called a car spinner over there. If you could see that over there, that's called a car spinner. So what happens is that when you bring your car up, so you pull your car up and it spins around, so that way you never have to go in reverse. I never want to have to drive in reverse. So that was like so exciting when I bought the house. So come on guys, let's check out the rest of the house. There is Karma. So Karma is really, couldn't have done it without Karma. This is a partnership. In any business, you should have a great partnership. Look, two heads are better than one. And so us working together, us being committed together, us working side by side all through these years have made, I mean, all the difference in what we've been able to do. So I do have a love for ice cream. So that is my vice. No matter what, I love ice cream. This is where we hang out with the fam bam every night. So we like to chill right here. So this is our dining room here. We love entertaining. I'm not even kidding. We probably had 25 parties at our house last year. And it's only because we love people. We're always around people. We're always wanting to be around people. Come and hang out with the Alonzos, man. We are so much fun. It's unbelievable. So. All right, so come and check out my office. So this is where I do most of my work. So anytime I'm around people or I'm building relationships, I'm building people, this is usually where it's at. So we got Michael Jordan and Larry Bird over here, a glove by Oscar De La Hoya. This is me when I threw the first pitch at Dodger Stadium. So that was pretty incredible for me. And I got it signed by Fernando Valenzuela. When I first started in business, I actually was originally recruited in October of 1995. And we won the Fast Start Award. We got off to a really fast start. So some of you that are kind of wondering, you know, why is fast start so important? It's because you want to create some momentum in your business to get it moving in the right direction. And then we got started. We got promoted pretty quick. But then it took us like a year and a half to get our next promotion. I mean, it took us a while. And so I tell people all the time, you might not be the fastest, but if you last the longest, you're gonna end up winning. And most people quit way too soon anyways. Almost 100% of all of these items came from the City of Hope. And so we've been donating to the City of Hope for 1 million years now. And so it's our mission to not only do well for ourselves, but we wanna give back. We wanna make a difference in other people's lives too. So that's how we did it. Now I'm gonna teach you exactly step by step how you can have the same type of results. You just gotta jump on board with me. Come on, come check out the rest of the house. My wife always wanted a wraparound staircase. And our last home that we lived in, it was already paid off. We had no mortgage, everything was done, everything was completely taken care of. We were completely free. But she wanted a wraparound staircase, so I said, you know what? She's worked so hard. She's been such an incredible piece of how we've built what we've been able to build. And I said, let's go look for a new house. And we looked for a new house and we found one just like this. Come and check out the upstairs with me. So this is another reason why we love this house. I mean, this is like our own little living room within our master bedroom. So this is where we get to relax at night and kind of chill when the day is done. So come on into the master bedroom. This is kind of like, doubles as my workout place as well. I love to work out here. I do at least 50 to 100 push-ups every single day. So you gotta stay active, you gotta move, man. You gotta get those legs moving, you gotta get that blood pumping if you're gonna stay healthy, okay? I wanted to make sure we had a balcony because we wanted to make sure that late at night, maybe we have a little glass of wine, or maybe early in the morning we can have some coffee. So we wanted some place where, number one, we can see our backyard. Number two, a view was absolutely essential. So I like to take baths, and this is how I do it right here. So I got my view of the city, overlooking the city. It's incredible. There's our backyard, our palm trees. I love it. I mean, this is why we work so hard. This is why we decided to put in the effort and the focus, is so that we could live like this. Come on. So come on and check out the closet. She wanted lots and lots of shoe space, so we decided to make that happen. A little spin around thing, so I love it. To be with you guys right now, this is awesome. This is exciting. And I just want you to know that all of this is possible for you as well. You just got to follow a system, duplicate that system like crazy, and sell a vision. So this is how we do it.